Helpjuice is a knowledge management platform that allows organizations to centralize, organize, and share their internal knowledge and expertise. It helps businesses improve productivity, streamline workflows, and enhance collaboration among team members. To make money online with Helpjuice in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Understand the platform. Familiarize yourself with Helpjuice by visiting their website, reading about their features, and watching tutorial videos. This will help you understand how the platform works and its potential benefits for businesses. Create a niche. Identify a specific industry or business type that could benefit from using Helpjuice. For example, you may focus on small marketing agencies, startups, or healthcare organizations. Develop content. Create valuable content such as blog posts, case studies, and video tutorials, showcasing how Helpjuice can help businesses in your chosen niche. Your content should highlight the platform's features, benefits, and real-life examples of its successful implementation. Build a website or blog. Set up a website or blog where you can publish your content and promote Helpjuice. Make sure it is visually appealing, easy to navigate, and optimized for search engines. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords in your content and meta descriptions to improve your search engine rankings. This will help potential customers find your content more easily. Leverage social media. Share your content on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook to reach a wider audience. Engage with your followers, answer questions, and provide valuable insights about Helpjuice. Offer a free trial. Encourage visitors to sign up for a free trial of Helpjuice by providing a unique affiliate link. When someone signs up using your link, you earn a commission. Build an email list. Collect email addresses from your website visitors and subscribers. Send regular newsletters and updates about Helpjuice, including new features, success stories, and helpful tips. Write a comprehensive guide. Create a detailed, step-by-step guide on how to use Helpjuice effectively for businesses in your chosen niche. Offer this guide as a lead magnet or premium content, requiring an email address to access it. Monetize your content. Once you have a solid following and a good number of people using Helpjuice through your affiliate link, consider offering additional services such as consulting, training, or customized Helpjuice setup for businesses. Network and collaborate. Connect with other Helpjuice affiliates, partners, and influencers in your niche. Collaborate on content creation, share resources, and support each other to grow your online presence. Track and analyze. Regularly monitor your website analytics, social media engagement, and affiliate earnings. Analyze the data to identify areas for improvement and adjust your strategy accordingly. By following these steps, you can establish yourself as a Helpjuice expert and generate income by promoting the platform to businesses in your chosen niche.